Hello, my lovely followers. Today I'm bringing you a new and unique recipe for preparing delicious and easy stuffed pastries. This recipe is perfect for any time, whether you need a quick snack or a light dinner for the family. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell to get all the latest updates, and hit the like button if you enjoy the video. First, let's prepare the filling that will make these pastries special. Start by heating a pan over low heat. Add a bit of oil along with some butter and let the butter melt completely with the oil to give us a rich flavour. Next, finely chop an onion and add it to the pan, stirring it until it becomes translucent and soft. This step is important because the onion adds a sweet and distinctive flavour to the filling. Once the onion has softened and turned slightly golden, add a minced clove of garlic and stir it in with the onion. The garlic will bring an additional layer of flavour to the filling. Now, add minced chicken and start mixing the ingredients together. Add a little of your favourite spices like cumin, black pepper and paprika, along with a pinch of salt. These spices will give the filling a rich and distinctive flavour. If you prefer, you can use minced beef instead of chicken, depending on your taste. After the minced chicken is fully cooked and blended with the onion and garlic, add about 4 tablespoons of any type of cheese you have available. The cheese will melt with the heat and give the filling a creamy texture while keeping it together without crumbling. Remove the filling from the heat and let it cool down a bit in a bowl. Now it's time to prepare the dough. Take a sheet of pre-made dough, cut it into rectangular pieces, and place a little filling in the center of each piece. Carefully roll the dough into a cylindrical shape, making sure the edges are sealed well so that the filling doesn't spill out during frying. Now, heat a pan with enough oil for deep frying and make sure it's hot enough. The oil should be hot to give the pastries a beautiful golden color and make them crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Start frying the pastries and leave them in the oil until they turn golden brown from all sides. If you like extra crispiness, you can leave them in the oil for a bit longer. Once all the pastries are fried, take them out and place them on a paper towel to drain any excess oil. Arrange them on a serving plate and garnish them with sesame seeds or fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro, according to your preference. Finally, the pastries are ready to serve. They taste absolutely delicious and are perfect for any meal, whether it's dinner or just a snack with tea. Try this recipe and let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to get all the latest updates. Thank you for watching, and I wish you a day filled with great flavors and wonderful moments. Enjoy your meal and always stay creative in your kitchens.